Hello guys, welcome to this course of ES6. In this video we will learn about ES6 modules, how to export variable, functions, classes from a module and reuse them in another module. First I have created a module, simple JavaScript file. Then we use the export keyword and then define a variable let message hello for exporting variable. Now exporting function, export function message equals to now we can import this JavaScript file, that is module, into the next JavaScript file, that is using the keyword import. Then we can write what we want to import. For example, SSH message, get message and set ge from, now the file name, so after importing this, if we use console.log message, then the output of this will be hello. And if we again use get message, after that if we use the get message, then it will also print hello. Get message, it will return the message, so it will print message. If we use set message and pass the argument as hi, then if you the console.log message, then the output will be hi. However, you can't directly change the value of message by assigning new value from here, so it will not be set, it will result in error. If you want to import everything from the module, then you can also do import asterisk from import asterisk as fun font from this module. Then you can use font dot message to access the message, font dot get message to access this method. It will generally import every function, variable, class from the module, and which will be available within the fun font. Much for the module of JavaScript. We'll cover the next topic in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.